Very good morning, friends, my dear students. Today we are discussing regarding the clinics. So, first of all, we know what is the clinics and what is the usage of the clinics. For discussing regarding the clinics, we know it is a place, it is a particular place, it is an identified place where a physician or a medical personnel is diagnose or is treat a patient who are suffering any types of the problem. In these clinics, medically as well as surgical treatment also available, and these clinics are mostly called the outdoor patient clinics. And this patient come and contact with the doctors and they are discussing regarding the problems, and the doctor verify the problem and give the medicine, and patient is released from the clinics. So for the outdoor patient and for the follow-up treatment, these types of the clinics are very useful. And these clinics offer the medical services like the diagnostic, like the therapeutic and preventive outpatient services. And some of the clinics are medical teaching centers also there, that is called the hospitals. These hospitals have the outpatient facility, means total functions. The medical care offered the clinics may be connected to the hospitals. So this term clinic is used to designated all the activities to general clinics or only or the particular division of the work, that is the psychiatric clinics, that is the neurotic clinics, that is the surgical clinics. As per the particular problems, as per the particular subjects, these clinics are defined. So we will see how they will start in previously when the first clinic is come in front of the public. So the first clinic in the English speaking world, London dispensary, was founded in 1696 as a central means of dispensing medicines to the sick poor who the physicians were treating the patient homes. This under the New York City. Later that these physicians, for their convenience, began to treat their free patients at the dispensary. So number of that clinics not increase and not multiply rapidly. So in late 1890, that time only have the 132 operating clinics in United States. So this word clinic is very small word. What in this clinic the patient's life is going to secure. A particular place, a identified place where the patient get good treatment from a certified doctors, certified diagnostician. So some of the good features of these clinics, what is the clinics, what type of the features present in these clinics. So first of all, it is planned and followed the timetable. Normally we can see that each clinics have some times that some of the doctors give the 9 to 12 o'clock in morning and afternoon and 4 to 7 p.m. So that is the fixed timetable. So everybody can know when we will go to meet the doctors or a physicians as per appointment. And these timetable are fixed, so nobody have the confuse. And as far as possible, liberating the patients from the compulsion of the registration. In this, when the patient is planned to meet the doctors or a physicians, then he will attend the clinics. First of all, he take the registration, because each and everything is going to ask and evaluate the patient conditions. So registration is fixed, means as a number they get, and then they will meet the doctors. Physicians and members of the health team should be specialists, one and skilled in their work and sufficient in numbers. In the clinics, the number of the physicians, number of the doctors, number of the medical personnel, number of the attenders are there. So they will give the satisfaction of the patient for their treatment. And in that clinics, the proper arrangement of the place equipments, all the things are arranged on a proper way. So for these clinics, all these things are on the set place, and all the furnitures are set with the all the medicines related to the patient conditions are set, and all the facilities like the drinking water, like the sanitary, like the hand washing procedures, like the sanitations, all these things are proper arrangement, and we will get that in the proper way. So, and next one is the working hours of the clinics should be more than routine time of the health centers. It means in the morning time, in the noon time, and the afternoon time. So these clinics are working on the times. Behavior of the medical staffs should be satisfactory while using the diagnostic treatment and answer the queries of a patient. Means this is the nice features, because if the medical person is not lenient to the patient, they are not listening the questions of a patient, or they are not proper feedback to the patient and how the patient is getting the treatment, and he will not follow up, will come for the follow up. So it is very important that behavior of the medical personnel. So when the patient is ready to meet the personals, first of the registration counter, afterwards the attender get the meeting with the doctors, and the doctor is getting the response and giving the response to the patients, and how to give he is satisfy the patient, and what time he is asking for the follow up. All these things come under that procedures. So facility of the follow up treatment should be available after treatment given in the clinics, and requirement of the community we kept in mind while the setting up of the clinics conducting its work. So the arrangement should be made for effective health educations. These all are very good features, very important features, and they are compulsory to in a clinics, because a unknown person, a unknown patient, he don't know what is the behavior of the medical personnel, what is the behavior of the doctors, and what is the behavior of the diagnostic persons, and how he getting the conversation between them. So these features are very important. The place of the clinics in India, these are the different types of the classification they given in India. All these types of the facilities with the transport also should be available in these clinics. If the clinics is far from the community, they are arranging the transport facility also. The following places that is called the clinics, that is the sub-centers, PSC or CSC, then the hospitals and the low income group colony, slum bus stands, schools, fairs, similar community place, all these places are situated the clinics. And different types of the clinics we will discuss like this. First is the hospital clinics. We will discuss the hospital clinics. What is the hospital clinics? A long time before, it means 1800 century, the modern concept of hospital began to take shape. What? That is the, during this period, some of hospitals connected with the medical schools. So outpatient department for purpose of the teaching or theory or their treatment, they come and contact with the hospitals. For their safety purpose, for their advantage, they are providing the ambulatory care also. Ambulatory care, and it is close facility with the hospitals, and such hospital clinics are multiplied rapidly. So these organization of the hospital clinics in general follow patient facility. Hospital clinics are primarily concerned with acute disease, and physicians in the clinics are usually facility the hospital has hospital concern. So that is the hospital clinics. It means the hospital providing the multi-sector facilities within a roof, because all types of the department come under a roof. The different types of the facility come under a roof. So patient is not have any confusion. If the doctor send the patient for a diagnosis, so laboratory is there. If patient want to take the medicines, lab is medical facilities also there. If patient need the laundry facility, the laundry department is there. If patient need a surgery, then surgical department also there. So many departments come under a roof, that is called the hospitals. Second one is the public health clinics. Public health clinics, it means the public movement is concerned under that. It means preventive medicines, child and maternal health also, and other medical problems affecting broad segment of the population. The first one public health clinics established in 19th century. In 1890, a Pinard set up a maternal dispensary or antenatal clinics at the Maternité Budloquet in the Paris. So that is the public health clinics. Next one is the private clinics. So this is the more popular, that the private clinics means group of the medical services. There means that is the advantage of that facility of technical personals beyond means individual practitioners plus benefit of the group consultations. They establish a small setup of the clinics. The patient is pay the money and he or she will get the facility of a treatment by a small clinics. So this is very basic. It is very compulsory because population is going to increase. If the population increase, that problems are also going to increase. That's why they get the easy way facility, medical facility from these clinics. These more than voluntary organizations are regulating these types of the private clinics. Some of the physicians also engage with the voluntary organizations, and they will give the practice or medicines with the group of the organizations. So common administration facility also engage this type of the private clinics. So that is the common way to get the medical facility by the private clinics. Next one is the health centers. In 1910, the first health centers is open, or a multiple clinics were established in Pittsburgh in the Pennsylvania. Other were opened in 1913 in the New York City, 1916 in the Boston and Philadelphia, in 1920 in Britain. A consultative council of medical and allied service describe health centers in the institutions wherein various medical service, preventive and curative, and brought together. So under the section of the 21 of the National Health Service Act 1946, local health authorities provide, equip, maintain, staff health centers, offer the facility for all or any other following services are provided under that clinics. What is the polyclinics? In the Russia also, the polyclinics were created in order to combining the functions of a hospital. So it means outpatient department with that general practitioners, health centers, all there in that polyclinics. And next one is the family planning clinics. It is very important clinics. The main purpose of family planning service to encourage the patient to make the responsible decision and about their pregnancy. Mother can get the benefit of these clinics, and they can save their lives, and she save their pregnancies, and she give the healthy birth of a baby. So these type of the clinics is very, very important for mother and the child assessment, and more than mothers are getting the benefits from these clinics. In India, it is described in the various way, that is the journal clinics. It means it arranges the examination, diagnosis, treatment, and all minor elements, means journal type of the clinics. Anyone can come and take the diagnosis, treatment, and any examination, body examination, anything else. So may health activities, all these types of the activities conducted through these clinics. Second one, in India, maternal and child health clinics, same. The mother, after getting the pregnancy, receiving the pregnancy, she is taking these facilities from that clinics. That is the assessment, health assessment, periodic assessment, visits for their health as well as baby health. So these are called the antenatal clinics, postnatal clinics, under 5 clinics, family planning clinics, child guidance clinics, and reproductive and child health clinics. So in the antenatal clinics, before the birth of the baby, mother getting the assessment, that is the antenatal clinics. In this, the weight of the mother, the body temperature of the mothers, the development of the baby at the time of the pregnancy, and this, and food or nutrition, education also, providing that clinics, and for the in the antenatal clinics for the mother, anemia also going to check. So different types of the tablets, iron or folic acid tablets, the health personals provide to the mothers. That's why they get the good blood in our body. Postnatal clinics, after the delivery, the mother for the follow up, for the postnatal exercise, for the growth of the baby. All these things come under that postnatal clinics. Under 5 clinics, it means totally assessment of the baby, infant after birth to 5 years. So all these types of the development, all these types of the assessment, all these type of the immunization process come under that under 5 clinics. Family planning clinics, the guide the mother regarding the family planning services, regarding family planning equipments, and what is the benefits of these all these types of the programs. They will give guide to the mother. Child guidance clinics and reproductive or child health clinics command. Next one is the specialty clinics. Specialty clinics, a particular problems with particular treatment, means medical and counseling service of certain specific disorders provided through these clinics. That is the, for example, any problems in the sex related, any problem related to the diabetic, any related for the TB clinics, cardiac clinics, nutrition clinics, and other same a particular community problems. All these clinics, what is the role of the a nurse? Because we are a nurse, so we know what is the responsibility or role of us. So when clinics are conducting or running by a doctor, a community health nurse, female or male health workers, assistant workers, voluntary organization, and community make the valuable contributions in this clinics. So a community health nurse or health worker, important role that conduct the clinic is the responsible for community health nurse is conducting the clinics to maintain her, assessing the health need of a patient, assessing a doctor, selecting the place of the clinics also, taking care of the available medicines, equipments and other resources of the clinics, providing nursing services of the patients, educating the patients, improving the health and skillful adjustment, monitoring the records which are prescribed at the clinics, supervision and other health and nurse staffs, providing health education to the patient and his family, and handling the over the responsibility of the health workers, health guide, other health workers of clinics conducting the functions. And the main responsibility of nurse is educating, he is guiding, she is guiding the patient regarding his problems, how to improve their health, how to reduce these problems, and what type of the lifestyle they need to change, and how they get the nutritions at the time of that problems and after the problems, and how they get the follow-up treatment, and all these things, all the records she or he will maintain in the clinics. Afterwards, if any type of the problems again the patient will suffer, then they will get the follow-up from that records. So recording is very important, maintaining the clinics is very important, assessing the clinics is very important, and guiding the patient is also very important, and give the important education, important guidance, counsel the patients, reduce their stress, improve their health. So all these types of the education is main important role and responsibility of a nurse in a clinics. So thank you.